In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract audio from video in Canva. If you've ever wanted to separate a voiceover, background music, or any audio from a video clip so you can edit it more freely inside Canva, this process is much simpler than it looks. Canva gives you a built-in way to pull the audio out of a video, which means you can work with the sound independently without needing extra software. To get started, open Canva and go into your video project. You can find it from your recent designs or inside the projects area. Once you open the project, make sure you're in the editing workspace and that your timeline is visible at the bottom of the screen. This is important because the timeline is where you'll manage both the video clip and the extracted audio track. Next, look along the timeline and find the video clip that contains the audio you want to separate. Be careful to select the correct clip, especially if your project has multiple scenes or layers. When you've found it, right-click on that video clip to open the context menu. This gives you access to additional editing options tied specifically to that media. From that menu, look for the option called Extract Audio and click it once. Canva will then process the clip and separate the sound from the video. After a moment, you should see a new audio track appear beneath the video in the timeline. It will usually show up as a purple bar, making it easy to identify. At this point, your audio is no longer locked to the visual clip, which gives you much more control. Now that the audio is its own separate track, click on it to select it. You can then adjust its volume using the toolbar controls. If needed, you can also apply audio effects such as fade-ins or fade-outs to make the sound smoother and more polished. If there's unwanted silence or background noise at the beginning or end, drag the edges of the audio track to trim it down. This is especially helpful for cleaning up timing and making everything feel more professional. Before exporting, move your playhead back to the beginning and preview the full project. Listen carefully to make sure the audio is synced the way you want and that everything plays smoothly from start to finish. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner, click Share, then choose Download. Select MP4 video if you want the full video with the updated audio setup, or choose MP3 if you only want the extracted audio file. Then click Download to save it to your device. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.